I'm Jonathan Shields and I'm the economics teacher at Highgrove Online School. It's a highly practical course because it forces you to think through logically. Last year our results were 92% A*A, and we also had the highest mark in the world and the highest mark in the United Arab Emirates. So people have done well with it and they tend to move into financial services, but it can be used in a variety of different professions because it's that logical thought process and being able to think through an argument, which is the key skill that many employers look for. My class will always start with cameras on. I will start with a warm-up activity. That warm-up activity will be followed up by some questions. Then we'll get into the main thrust of the lesson. And the main thrust of the lesson will cover what I already have found to be the tricky elements of the online, pre-prepared, asynchronous part of the course. I will have seen answers to tests and other activities on the pre-prepared lesson element, and that then informs me about what I can focus on then in the main part of the lesson. What you are doing is you are upskilling prior to going to university, where there will be this expectation that outside of tutorials and outside of lectures, you've done that pre-preparation. Essentially, creating a university level advantage. We always focus on exam grade questions. If you're doing a lesson with me, it will be highly tailored and highly focused to try and get the best grade possible at International A-Level.